processing thousands in online sales each month, but not sure which provider actually saves you money? Those small percentage fees can quietly drain your profit when volume scales. Here's how you can manually compare payment fees. In Google Sheets, create a quick table showing how much you would pay at different monthly volumes. It helps you see how small differences in rates impact your bottom line. But it's still manual and doesn't account for performance factors like declines or routing. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They are built for high volume e commerce merchants with automatic routing that keeps transaction costs low and approvals high. Plus, EasyPay Direct's FAQ on how our e commerce payments processed breaks down exactly how those savings happen behind the scenes. So you can focus on growth, not spreadsheets. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check how their high volume processing helps you cut costs automatically. When your store scales, every transaction counts. EasyPay Direct keeps your payments running smoothly, securely, and cost efficiently. You will find the link in the description when you are ready to get started.